YouTube trap will go here, man, with another banger video, man, for y'all boys, man. A banger vlog. Right now, as you can see, I'm vlogging right now. I got the camera. And I said I picked up the camera for y'all boys. I got a special package that's gonna come later. I'm not sure if it's here or not, but I just got out the shower and I said just got the shower, peeped the fit. I said I'm sure the fit. Got an all black fit, got just Adidas pants, got the keychain. And I seen I'm rocking the little Adidas slots too, Adidas match. I said, hey, chill, calm little fit, nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? I got my bulk orders, you know what I'm saying? I got my bulk orders from my clothing brand. It came in and I'm gonna be doing a vlog today, y'all boys. If you didn't tune into the recent vlogs, you know what I'm saying? The recent vlogs I did with my clothing brand, I think I dropped like 1 or 2 vlogs. Go check that out. But you know what I'm saying? This is just like, you know what I'm saying? A day in life of a clothing brand order. I got a special package that just came in. I had ordered something I want to show y'all. And yeah, I'm about to go do some mail some orders and do the bulk orders, how all that process goes. I got my homeboy finna come over to the crib. We finna pack up some orders. I forgot to show y'all the other day. I had Indeed caught this label printer, this thermal label printer, and it came in. As you can see, it came in. I'm finna open it. I did unbox it, do all the other good stuff. I got the poly mailers too, like the little mailers that's supposed to come with it too. So now I said I got all that set up ready. We're ready to ship out. Now I said we got 11 orders, which is crazy. Now I said we really didn't thought. I didn't thought we was gonna get at least 1 or 2, or it's gonna be low like that. But 11, that is like, it's crazy. But now I said we could get more. The website about to shut off. Probably when you see this video, the website is gonna be down or whatever. But I'm saying we got the bulk orders in hand, so we're gonna be giving them out in hand to your favorite content creator. Who knows? Quan, Jay Wonder, not saying Duke Dennis, one of them. Probably gonna see one of them niggas in our brand. Not saying that born to be rich, but not saying. I got the poly mailers. Them came in. These came in. I forgot to update y'all. That came in. And then the label. So I'll be indeed opening today when my boy, when he come over. My boy is finally doing YouTube. His first time doing vlogs. And I say go sub to his channel. And I say will be linked in the description, or it should be somewhere on the screen. But go sub to that boy. Not saying go show him all the love, support, which I've been doing to me on my channel, all that. Go show him love. Not saying go show that boy love. Not saying because 2 clothing brand orders, we finna take over with this shit. Not saying, bro. But nah, bro. I just cleaned up my room the other day too. I got my monitor back from my brother. I think my goals, like you can see that it's on the floor. My goals, you know what I'm saying, weekly goals, daily goals. I need to update it still. Might put something else, some more stuff on it, but I need to put it back on the wall. I need to get more thumbtacks. I'm gonna do another vlog of me going out and buying stuff because I need to get more thumbtacks. I need to get another ring light for my room. I needed one more other thing. Well, I'm gonna remember when I know. But yeah, I need thumbtacks. I need another ring light for my room. Just to put some things back up. I cleaned my room. I updated my goals, my journal, my calendar. As you can see, the wall looking dry and all that stuff. But I need to update it, fix it all. And I've just been really working in my bag, just saving money with the clothing brand, putting money back in there, you know. Just trying to I'm really working every day. Even though I haven't been picking up the camera, like, and I haven't been doing vlogs, or you haven't been seeing like vlogs dropping daily or consistently. Behind all this stuff, behind the scenes, I'm really working with this clothing brand stuff and my YouTube channel, like, you know what I'm saying, my personal life, all this other stuff. It's just a lot, you know what I'm saying. It's a lot to deal with, but you know what I'm saying, we back. I'm here, Bill. We pick up the camera, you know what I'm saying. We live, we in motion, Bill. You know what I'm saying, but nah. The polymers came in. I got my label printers. I also got something in the mail coming in later on, so I will indeed be doing an unboxing. I'm gonna go check the mail on for you guys in a couple. See if that John came in. But yeah, I'll be indeed packing some orders. Gotta ship these out, and the orders and the clothes at least by 4 o'clock. Right now, it is 3:17. We gotta ship these out by 4. I'm doing a lot of talking, but yeah, I'm gonna go in the mail, go unbox what I gotta go unbox, show y'all what I gotta go show y'all. I just had to pick up the camera for y'all later on. I'll be doing more vlogs. I'm gonna go do a little photo shoot picture with the clothes and all that stuff since this came in. Me and my boys are gonna go out. Nah, saying just promote the brand. I saying get on it out there really much. I got the computer right here set up. I was editing, doing my editing and all that good stuff. But I will show you the process of the bulk orders, show you a little transition and how that all goes, and I'm gonna show you like this.
Easy jams. That's for like dirt race. It's gonna be way higher. But look, use pipe and
You too, man. Y'all niggas back in the lab. No, I say you see the clothes on the bed. We got all the clothes on the bed now. Got the bulk orders came in. All the shirts came in, all that good stuff. Now I saying, but look, now we finna go ship some clothes out. We finally got them in hand. We finna pass them out. Got that boy Ness. We finally here, man.
yo, man.
Everything set up, niggas in the lab. You see it,
Hey,
bro.
man. Make sure y'all go like and subscribe, man. For real, it's free.
No cap. Go like and subscribe, man. I'm saying he posting a vlog later on too. Go subscribe to that big. Go subscribe to this channel too. It's gonna be
First vlog, man. It's called Ness.
first vlog ever. Know what I'm saying? In the description, somewhere on the screen. Go like, comment to that big. Go tune, go crazy on it. The same way y'all go crazy on my vlogs, go crazy on his vlogs. Know what I'm saying? You'll see extra content. Know what I'm saying? You'll see everything behind the scenes of everything that's going on with the brand and shit going on now. But look, know what I'm saying? We got the clothes and stuff now. We took out the box. What we finna go do? We finna hurry and go ship these out. If we can't get these shipped out today, we got tomorrow. But know what I'm saying? We're finna put the labels, all that good stuff on them. Get these shipped out to y'all. Cause I'm saying y'all waiting for these shirts. Y'all waiting for these shirts. Hey, just chill. I'm saying don't get mad at us. Don't press us. We finna ship these out in the most quickest way. Not saying I finally got them. But look, go like the video. Go subscribe. Not saying we finna ship these out. And pick up the camera back again. Not saying when we actually got these in a box and we actually not saying doing something. You can see the printer, everything set up over here. That boy working the camera. That boy got the whole setup. Nah, I said he got the whole setup. Nah, I said we is ready. Niggas is ready, bro. Nah, I said
niggas ready.
Yeah, niggas is ready. I said, bro, go like, go comment, go subscribe to this channel. Nah, I said go crazy. Nah, I saying we finna go up. We got 3 more months to this end this year. But look, other than that, bro, niggas first time shipping out clothes, handing out clothes, bulk orders, tight shit. But look,
yeah,
when we get more clothes, we can just in the little warehouse and all that. All that. I'm telling you, bro, we gonna be turned. Know what I'm saying? This is the beginning of it. Know what I'm saying?
First one, man. Y'all boys, man. Shit.
First one, bitch. What you got to say to the vlog, bitch?
Hey, check it, man. Look, vlog, man. It's gonna be a hell of a journey, bro. Second drop, but we coming big. Second drop. Hey, second drop.
I ain't gonna fly.
Second drop. We is taking a trip to New York for the holidays.
We got to.
After our second drop, man.
You see it. All the clothes on the bed too. You know what I'm saying? This is the first drop. Second drop. We got more stuff coming through trim for real. But other than that, bitch, we gonna pick up the camera back up again. Get more content for our boys, and yeah.
Get that bit.
You too. Tropical here, man, with another. You know, we back. No, I'm saying we is back. No, I'm saying we back with the clothes. No, I'm saying the bulk orders here. We finna ship these out. We finally got the. No, I'm saying we got the printers. We got the labels out. No, I'm saying we got the poly mailers. Everything out now. Now the final step, the final product, just to put them in the bag. Put them in the bag. Literally, we're done. I'm saying we spent 2 hours over here fighting with this printer, and it finally worked. We print out these people shaping labels. So if you're watching the vlog, not saying you will get your item, you'll get everything shipped out. Not saying 1 week of shipping.
I think a few days, something like that.
A few days, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna get shipped out to you guys, but not saying we're gonna finish putting these motherfuckers inside the bag, and then not saying we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our night. That's what we got going on. It was just a whole not saying long day of us having worked, and we back here working with our clothing brand, not saying our hobby, what we want to do, what we love. I'm not saying this is gonna turn into something. Not saying we put in all this work, the overtime work, and it's gonna turn into something. Thank God. Like not saying we had the money, we made money from y'all.
We made enough to cover all of this.
To cover literally right cheap. Back, cause it would have been money coming out of our pockets, and it's not cheap. Not saying 2 great minds put into one, it's gonna turn out well. Not saying the born to be rich. Not saying we finna pack these orders, and that's it. If you trying to be rich, I'm saying go call that boy to be rich. I'm saying no, hey, but look, I'm saying I'm gonna catch y'all boys. I'm saying we can go talk live or whatever, but hey, who knows? But I'm gonna just catch y'all boys.